Hey, what's happening, everybody? It is your man, Kaschmiere Rich, once again, coming to you live and direct from the Freelife Network, guys. We got it going on over here, man, with the Freelife Network. We're helping people to end their monthly bills. Not only that, people that's getting started with us right now, I'm going to be showing you how to throw a quick $2,500 into your account within the next 7 to 14 days. You can't beat this, man. Let's dive right in so you can get this information and make an executive decision over how you want to end those monthly bills. This is about to blow your mind when I'm getting ready to introduce to you, so get ready. Imagine what your life would be if you did not have to pay any more monthly bills. No more rent mortgage payments, no more car loan insurance payments, no more utility bills, life essential costs, and have extra money coming in. What if you had extra money coming in for your lifestyles? Be able to take those trips, get a health club membership, do all of the things that you want to do to enhance your lifestyle. Well, right now at the Freelife Network, we're helping people to do just that. Your life will change dramatically if you were over here putting an end to those bills, keeping that money in your pocket. Okay, what I'm about to introduce to you is a crowdfunding strategy that we designed in 2012 that we've been using to help our members achieve financial freedom while helping you to eliminate all of those monthly bills that you have. It's a very simple procedure, simple process. All you do is get in, follow the steps, and it will happen for you. We're using crowdfunding, guys. Everybody familiar with crowdfunding, right? Everybody's familiar with the GoFundMe pages and the different crowdfunding platforms that people use to bring in extra cash or get startups for their business. Well, what we've created is a crowdfunding platform to help you to eliminate your monthly bills. We're targeting bills with our crowdfunding platform. Let's take a look at crowdfunding and exactly what it is. Crowdfunding is the practice of funding a project or venture by raising small amounts of money from a large number of people, typically via the internet and or offline. Crowdfunding is a form of crowdsourcing and considered a great source for alternative financing. In the year 2015, listen to this, in the year 2015, over $34 billion was raised worldwide by crowdfunding. What if we could have got just 1% of that, guys? That would have been amazing, right? Of course it would. So, a much more simple definition would be this. Crowdfunding is people simply helping people. That's it. We're helping each other to pay the rent, mortgage, car loan, insurance, utility bills. This thing is amazing. Once you just sit back and watch this, man, this thing is amazing. Now, our target objective. This is most important. You need to know our objective so you can help us to get it, right? Help us reach that objective with you right here with us. Our target objective is to eliminate all monthly bills. Many people struggle monthly trying to make ends meet just in order to have enough money to cover bills and family needs. This is what we figure. If we eliminate the monthly bills and install monthly income, financial freedom can be obtained in record-breaking time. Furthermore, our sights are set on the elimination of the following 6 life-draining components that might be plaguing somebody on this webinar right now, plaguing your life. We want to eliminate rent and mortgage payments. We want to eliminate your car loan and insurance payment. We want to get rid of your utility and services costs. We want to eliminate your life essential costs, right? We also want to install some money coming in. That's going to be for your lifestyles, right? We want to put money into your lifestyle package. Most important is this. We want to eliminate that dead-end 9-to-5 job. Let's think about this. If you do not have bills that's coming in every month, you have no need to have a job, especially when you have money coming in that's going to carry you, money that's coming in that's going to create wealth for you. So we eliminate the bills, put in money, you're set and ready to go. By eliminating these specific monthly expenses, each member of the Freelife Network will be able to live a 100% free life. Now, I want you guys to check this out. Understand this. Everyone has a smartphone. I have a smartphone. You have a smartphone. Your friends have smartphones. If you go into your smartphone, just pick 5 to 6 people that would love to be bill free. A lot of you guys will find those 5 to 6 people before you even get to the letter B. No one wants to pay bills. So that means that what we've created here is something that everyone can use. It's not segregated to one specific group of people. Anybody that comes over here seriously ready to eliminate their bills can do so because of the simple fact everyone knows someone that does not want to pay bills. You're not going to walk past anybody in the street during the course of your day that wants to pay bills. You're not. That means that you will never run out of people to introduce the Freelife Network to. Think about that. You will never run out of people to introduce this to. This isn't another multi-level marketing system. This isn't another program on Facebook. This is crowdfunding to help you to pay your bills. This thing is this is amazing, guys, right? So for the few minutes that we have as I go through this, be thinking about that. Who can I help to eliminate their bills, guys? And when you get through thinking of that, you're going to say, man, I know a lot of people that don't want to pay bills. Let me get them on my list, and I'm going to be contacting them about this. Now, let's look at the tax base. Let's look at how taxes work. With the taxes, let's go right to it. For 2018 to 2019, you're able to receive up to $15,000 in gifts or contributions before you have to pay taxes on it. So the way we've designed our program is this. You will only be receiving $6,000 per person. $6,000 per person donating to you per year. So you well below the $15,000. So out of the window goes the tax base. Plus, we're going to show you how to do it also with Bitcoin. You already know Bitcoin is decentralized and deregulated. You're able to collect as much Bitcoin as you want, right? We're going to show you how to do this with Bitcoin and or USD. Amazing, man. I'm excited. What we do is this. We build power lines. All of our power lines consist of this. You start each power line off with a minimum of 6 people. Now, you don't have to have your 6 people to get started. You just want to get started, then go grab your 6 people because you will have proof of life to show them. You'll be able to show them that you have a program and a system. You can bring them to the webinars and the conferences. You start off with your 6 people, right? Your 6 people will then start accumulating other people. That's going to accumulate other people. Now we're touching everybody with the No More Bills program. We build those power lines based upon 6 individuals. 6 is for illustration purposes only. You can use 6, 16, 60, 600, 6,000. But for the sake of illustration, what I'm going to be showing you below is for illustration purposes only, okay? A power line is our donation structure, which consists of 1 donation recipient, which is you, and a minimum of 6 donors, which we call donators. Our goal is to build as many power lines as possible. Check this out. This was going to really get you. Each power line has a donation potential of $3,000 per power line. If you build 10 power lines, that's $30,000 coming in every month. It's amazing, guys. Let's get into this thing, guys. But before we go any further, I want to ask you a question. I need you to answer this to yourself. Would you pay $110 one time to eliminate all of your monthly bills? You pay $110 one time to eliminate all of your monthly bills. What you're about to see in the illustration below is a simple yet powerful crowdfunding strategy that can be used to eliminate not just some, but all of your monthly bills. This strategy is called the Freelife Network's Extreme Power Play. We use our power lines for our power play, right? The Extreme Power Play strategy consists of only $110 investment one time and 6 of your friends that also do not want to pay bills. Follow this simple yet powerful crowdfunding strategy to create wealth, guys. Now, let's get into these power lines. First objective, I want to put $2,500 into your bank account within the next 7 to 14 days. It ought to be worth it for you to ride with me for 7 to 14 days to clock out $2,500. Let's make it happen. First thing we're going to do is look at power line number 1. Power line number 1 is the fast track to the $2,500. After that, every other power line is $3,000. Now, we're going to be focused upon these things. Eliminate rent, mortgage, car loan insurance, utility bills, life essential costs, right? As well as your lifestyle. We want to put money into your lifestyle package, okay? This is considered a portfolio. This portfolio here contains 5 portfolio pieces. Okay, now donations for each one of the packages is $100. Bam. You're only going to pay $100 one time. The rest will come out of profit. Plus, you're going to put that $100 that you spent back into your pocket. I'm going to show you how we do that. You got your donations and your donors. You're going to go with 6. Remember, we said 6 as the minimum. We want to look at 6, and I'm going to show you why. These are the donations received based upon the 6 times the 100. These are the upgrades for each of the additional packages for your 5, right? And this is spillover. This is your most important sector. Right here, this section here, this 500 in the spillover, that's where it gets powerful. Let's swing from the left to the right and do this. You're going to put $100 up. $10 is going to go to your sponsor or to your administrative fee. $100 is going to go directly into your sponsor's rents mortgage page, which is going to activate yours within your own portfolio. So now you have a rents and mortgage package starting out just like your sponsor. You're going to send him $100. You're going to bring in 6 great people out of your contact list, your Facebook friends list, your Twitter list, wherever you get them from. That's going to be $600 when you multiply those 6 times that 100. You're going to pinch off 100 of that 600. that you just made, go into your car loan package. Bam, looking good, right? Go into your car loan page for 100 of the 6, leaving you 5 in spillover. You paid 110 to be here. You've already clocked $500 in spillover in no time flat. Now, here come your team members because they duplicated your effort, went out and found 5 or 6 people from their contacts, Twitter, Facebook, doesn't matter. They're going to now upgrade for the 100. That's going to be the same 6 people. You notice it say same 6. That's another $600 because now they just added the same page as you have. Now, you're going to pinch 100 off of that 6, leaving yourself another 5. You're already 1,000 up. Here come your team members upgrading to the next for 100, just like you did. Time those 6 people, 600, pinch off another $100. Bam. Once again, 500 going into your bank account. Once again, you upgraded for 100. Here come your team members following you. It's a follow me situation, not a matrix, but a follow me procedure. Now your 6 going to do the same thing. Another 600 in. $100 is going to be pinched off to go into your final lifestyle package. You're going to bank another 500, guys. Easy money. Here come your team members following you up again, getting money for their lifestyle page. Who don't want to do that? Everybody wants to do that, right? So now, time the 6 people, another 600, but check this out. It says 0, nothing else to invest in, nothing else to do. You're going to put that entire 600 in your account. Now, what we've done is this. You've net 3,000, right? Your what we call residual payment to be here to cover your 5 pages is 500. From the 3,000, that's already covered, not coming out of your pocket anymore. Nothing, that is straight. 2,500 in the bank for you from that particular power line. 2,500, man, and that's done in less than 7 days, guys. 7 to 14 days is done. Power line number 2. Let's build another power line. Now, you're going to go get a fresh 6 people. Bam, bring them in. Put them in there. They're going to pay you $100 times 6, another 600, but look right here. Nothing going out. That's yours. Another 600 in your account. Upgrade. Have them upgrade to the next package for 100. Same 6 people again. Right, this your second set of 6. 600 going into your account again. Nothing coming out. 6. Bam. Follow that progression all the way down. Take possession. Let them get their lifestyle package set up like you did. Time the 6 people. That's another 600. Nothing coming out of your pocket. Another 6 in. You just made 3,000, guys. Add that 3,000 with your previous power line of 2,500, you're up to 5,500. Let's do another power line. Let's keep it going. Let's do 4 of them, okay? Now, here we go. Once again, you bring in a fresh 6. Time to 100, 600 in your pocket. Upgrade. They're going to upgrade for the 100 to the car loan. Same 6 people, 600 in to you. 600 in the bank account. Continue that progression through that 3rd power line. That's going to give you another $3,000. Add that to your previous 2 power lines. 8,500 in residuals, instantly and residually. Let's do one more power line. Power line number 4, same situation. Go get 6 more people. That's just a total of 24 people that you've helped to eliminate their bills, guys. We look at it as 4 weeks. Power line 4 should be your 4th week. But if it's not, just keep going, guys. It don't matter. $100 from those 6 new individuals give you 600. Bam, goes into your account. Continue that progression, letting everybody knock out their power lines, knock out these pages. That's another 3,000 for a total of 11,500 made over the course of just 4 power lines. Just 4, man. 11,500 instantly, plus it's going to be coming back to you again next month residually. You have nothing to pay. You receive your $100 back that you put in. Nothing left to pay. 11,500 going into your account, guys. Grab your 110 and get over here and do this. Do not let this pass you by. This is amazing. So, I look forward to getting you into our Freelife Network Extreme. Let's get that $2,500 into your account within the next 7 to 14 days. Let's get you up. Let's get you running. Let's get you motivated, educated, and activated, guys, so you can start enjoying a free life. Imagine no more bills. If I look at it for what it is and I go down to power line number 1, some of you guys probably be eliminated all of your bills just with that $2,500 from power line 1. And you got many, many more power lines to build. Amazing. So this is your man, Kaschmiere Rich, coming to you live and direct from the Freelife Network. Super excited, as always, to present to you great content, great programs, and a way to end your monthly bills. I'll see you on the inside and get back to that great sponsor that introduced you to us. And you guys have a great day. Take care.